Hello everybody, it's Dana Sullivan, your Stampin' Chick, here with you for not a Make It Monday, but a quick little reveal video. This is the Christmas Traditions punch box, and I'm going to try to do this one-handed, folks. There we go. It's a beautiful tin that it comes in. And, sorry, you're going to have to bear with me here, friends. One-handed is a business. This is in the Holiday 2018 catalog, and you can still get it, but it's on sale right now, and it's while supplies last. I believe it's $27.50 now. It was, I think, $45. So it's a huge savings, and as you can see, the tin is just as gorgeous as it can be. It's a good size tin. I mean, I'm thinking it's probably an 8x8 square or 9x9 square. It's absolutely fabulous. And then inside you get a punch, 2 ink pads, which is Real Red and Call Me Clover, and then you get the cutest little stamps I have ever seen. Let's see if we can get that to focus in. Oops, sorry about that, folks. There we go. So, there we go. Well, sort of. You get the idea. There we go. So we have Peace and Joy, Jingle All the Way, Sending Christmas Wishes. Absolutely gorgeous stamps. I mean, they are beautiful. Let Heaven and Nature Sing, Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, May Your Season Be Merry and Bright. These stamps are so cute. And they match the punch perfectly, of course. Let me get this out of here so you can see it. Wouldn't that make a fabulous little Christmas tag? I think so. Anyway, I just wanted to come on here and show this to you right quick. You also get, if I can get it out here, you also get a little acrylic block. So literally all you need to make a project with this kit is a pack of white paper. How cool is that? So if you like this, you definitely want to purchase it right now because it is on the retiring list, which means it is not transferring to the annual catalog, which means that when supplies are gone, it is gone forever. So this set is absolutely gorgeous. It is too cute not to get, so don't let it pass you by. And if you'd like to order this and maybe a pack of Whisper White cardstock to make your tags, just let me know. Send me a message or comment down below that you'd like to order this, or you can just head on over to my website and purchase it directly. And that website is www.danasullivan.stampinup.net. Super simple, super easy, and you're going to love it. You don't want to miss out. And I know that Christmas is almost here, and you're not going to get this in time for Christmas, but consider this a Christmas clearance item, and you really want to get on it now so you don't miss out. So it'll be ready for next year. You'll have it prepped and ready, and you'll be ahead of the game for next year. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, just send me a message or leave me a comment, all right? Have a wonderful night, and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.